How's it going, guys? It's Chris here. In today's video I'm going to be reviewing the Cassiopeia theme, which is by the Reddit user MHCharlie, which I'll leave a link to his Reddit page down in the description below. The first thing that catches my eye about this theme is how minimalistic it actually is. It contains the time and the date, a few application icons, a network connectivity information, battery percentage, and a music button there as well. And the one thing I like about having such minimal interaction itself on the screen is that by having a blurred background, it really makes these aspects pop out and look really 3D, in my opinion. Now, as you can see on the right hand side, there is also a second page to this live wallpaper, which is a hidden music page, which is accessed through the use of clicking the music icon down at the bottom below. And this will give you your song information, such as the artist, the title of the song, and the album it's from, and also includes a spinning disc of the album cover, which I quite like as well, just to add that little bit of extra effect. Now we're going to hop on over to my phone, where I have implemented my own little touch onto the Cassiopeia theme itself. As you can see on the phone, instead of having the one row which was on the original theme, I now have two. See my first row of 5 of my social media, and the second row of 5 which is just other everyday applications that I like to use. And you can also see that I have changed the background of the theme itself, just because I prefer the color scheme that this background gives, and it was also a background that I used before I found out about the custom live wallpaper application, which I will also leave the link to the Play Store down in the description below. And you will also see down below there is the network connectivity information down in the bottom left over here, which you can see is showing my 4G connection. However, if I was to tap on that, it would enable my Wi-Fi connection. There we are, and you can now see that my Wi-Fi is in fact now enabled. Over on the right hand side, you've got my battery percentage, which if clicked on will bring me to my battery usage, which is handy for if you want to see what applications are using up your battery on your phone on a daily basis. And now I'm going to show you about what I meant by a hidden music page. Now if we click on the music icon down below, it brings up a secret music page that we can't access any other way. So as you can see, the last song I listened to was Hotel California by the Eagles, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to hit play just so you can see the visual effects of the spinning disc on this page itself. So by clicking play there, you can see that the disc of the album art is spinning, which I believe gives the effect of an old record player, where you would see the record spinning on the player, and sometimes you may have a limited edition record with some album art on it, and in my opinion that's what this reminds me of. Now one final thing I would like to touch upon is the icons of the applications on the home screen itself. The icon pack that the theme is using is an icon pack called Compaticons, and I will leave a link to the icon pack itself down in the description below, where you will get a whole range of icons for applications that you may use on a daily basis and may want to implement into your own version of the theme itself. And that brings us to the end of this video. Overall, I believe this theme is, although very minimalistic, it gives a nice clean and fresh look to your home screen, and in my opinion this is what I like about it. I like the fact that there isn't that much on the screen, such as my notification bar, which can be disabled through the Nova launcher settings, and I will speak more about that in another video. But for now, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and comment any suggestions you would like to see in the comments below, such as any video ideas that you might want to see for Android phones, or if you like the look of any themes and you want me to do a review on them, then please leave the link down in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.